Hello, good morning to our dear franchisees and business partners at lahat po sa tumulong maging successful ng ating first day feeding dito sa ating Every Hands Palag Feed a Child CSR. Sana nandito po kayo. Sobrang overwhelming, sobrang nakakatuwa. Sarapan po yung mga bata sa mga food na kinakain nila ngayon. They are, I believe, 49. May isa lang daw po na absent. Pero this is Tuesday today. June 30, every day na ito from Monday to Friday. So every 10 o'clock, mag-gather sila dito para kumain before going to the school. Ano sabi mo? Ano yun? Ano yun? What can you say? Say thank you. Thank you po. Ayan. So maraming salamat. Sana ma-witness nyo ito. Kung may time kayo, punta lang kayo dito every 10 o'clock in the morning. Nandito tayo sa Barangay San Luis in Antipolo. Dear franchisees, dear business partners, from the bottom of my heart, maraming salamat sa mga suporta. Let's help give these children a better future and eventually a better future for our country. Maraming salamat! Thank you! Our first day feeding is a success!